I'm really feeling my halo braid. This is my first successful halo braid, can you believe it? I've tried for years and years. Hello. Hello, how do you do? Hi, welcome back to my 40 experience. So today's video, I'm going to be doing 4 easy styles to do on natural hair. They're going to be so simple. Like, sometimes I feel like a lot of the natural hairstyles out there are very complicated. You need elastic bands, you need gel, you need to twist it, you need to part it, you need to do crisscross, you need to do small cane row, you need to do fat cane row, you need to do twist, you need to do braid. It's all too much. So I'm literally going to try and keep it as simple as possible and do some easy styles. Let's just go into the first look. So I'm using my wide tooth comb to comb my blow dried hair upwards. It makes it easier to pack, and also my head looks a little less big at the back. Then I'll take my donut, which is from Primark. They have so many different sizes and colours for like less than £1. After placing the donut through my hair, I spread my hair evenly around it and then tuck the ends underneath. I'll then use a scrunchie to hide any strays. This took me approximately 4 minutes. First, I'm going to section the part of my hair that I want flat twisted. This is a left side part to just behind my right ear. Once that's done, moving the remaining hair out of the way, I'm using a wide tooth comb to detangle the section in the front, making it easier to flat twist. I've stopped speeding up the video to show you the real-time version of me doing the flat twist because I am not fast at all. A similar principle applies when cane rowing, as you are picking up the hair as you go along. In my opinion, flat twisting is easier than cane rowing as it only has 2 strands rather than 3. Check out my other styling video where I try to explain how to cane row. I keep going until I reach the end, which I'll be joining to the ponytail. I repack and properly align the pony using my fingers to comb through my hair, and also adding the end of the flat twist to the rest of it. Once it's tied together, I prepare my hair for twisting. I want to again use the wide tooth comb to detangle as much as I can so that the twist is not too bumpy. I've got this hair accessory from a black British owned brand called Flourishing Crown to finish the style. The link will be in the description box. This took me approximately 6 minutes. Using the tail comb, I'm parting a small box in the middle of my hairline, making sure that it's even and neat. With the rest of my hair, I'm combing it backwards to a mid ponytail. I think this look would also be cute with like a top bun or a low bun or pony. So I'm returning to the box I sectioned off at the start and splitting it into 2 even rectangles to make 2 twists at the front. I haven't used edge gel for any of these styles, but you can if you want to. This took me approximately 4 minutes. Start by spreading my hair out from the crown of my head and combing through it to make it easier to plait and avoid bumps. Then parting from my comfortable side, from my crown down to just in front of my ear, and I begin to cane row. This may be the hardest of the 4 styles, but still easy to achieve. With the halo braid, I found the tricky part to be adjusting to the different angles around my head. I took short breaks to rest my arms and reposition myself for a seamless halo braid. I definitely would say it takes a little more patience than the rest of the styles, but still sort of easy. When there is no more hair left to cane row, plait it to the end. I use a bobby pin to pin it below the beginning of the halo, creating an illusion it has no start or end. This took me approximately 7 minutes. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my styles, and I hope you think they're easy too, because which ones would you actually like try for yourself? Let me know in the comments section. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.